Welcome to our channel. If you want to back up your call logs from TikTok to preserve your communication history, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your smartphone and log into your account. Step 2. Note that TikTok primarily tracks video calls and voice calls made through its messaging feature, not traditional phone calls. Step 3. Tap on the inbox icon at the bottom of the screen to access your messages and call history. Step 4. TikTok does not have a built-in feature to export or backup call logs directly, so you will need to manually document important calls. Step 5. Take screenshots of your call history by navigating to each conversation and capturing the call details. Step 6. Alternatively, request your TikTok data by going to Settings and Privacy, then selecting Privacy and tapping Download your data. Step 7. Select the data categories you want to download, ensuring that messages and call logs are included. Step 8. TikTok will process your request and send a download link to your registered email address within a few days. Step 9. Download the data file and save it securely on your device or cloud storage for future reference. Step 10. Regularly repeat this process to keep your call logs backed up and accessible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.